Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Starlink Mesh Wi-Fi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Starlink Mesh Wi-Fi, begin by unpacking your Starlink kit. Inside, you will find the Starlink router, the power supply, and the Ethernet cable. Start by connecting the power supply to the Starlink router. Plug the other end of the power supply into a power outlet. Wait for the router to power on, which usually takes about a minute. Once the router is on, locate the Starlink app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, download the Starlink app from your. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to log in to your Starlink account. Once logged in, the app will guide you to set up your network. Follow the instructions to connect your mobile device to the Starlink Wi-Fi network. After connecting, return to the Starlink app. The app may prompt you to scan your Starlink dish for a clear view of the sky. Make sure your dish is placed in an area without any obstructions like trees or buildings. Once positioned, the app will help you check the connection status of the dish. Wait for the app to confirm that the dish is connected to the internet. After confirmation, you can customize your Wi-Fi network's name and password. Make sure to create a strong password for added security. Save your settings once you've entered your desired network name and password. Now, you can connect your devices to the Starlink Mesh Wi-Fi network. For optimal coverage, consider adding additional mesh nodes to extend the range. Follow the instructions in the app for add. Place each node in a central location to enhance coverage throughout your home. Each node should also be powered on and connected to the network via the app. You are now ready to enjoy high-speed internet with your Starlink Mesh Wi-Fi. Make sure to periodically check the Starlink app for updates or troubleshooting tips. With your mesh network set up, you can connect multiple devices seamlessly. Enjoy fast and reliable internet access from anywhere in your home or office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.